Hello and welcome to Whiteboard video number 29, and this is a continuation of number 28 we did yesterday, and today I am going to show a real case of an Autodesk customer with real licensing and real data, and we want to compare the four alternatives. And before we start, we'll go to the bottom line. The bottom line is that option A is $200,000, $76,000. Option B is $300,028. And here we have two cheaper options, one $96,000 and one $157,000. So we can see the difference are very big. Now, I would like to explain the case. So we have a company with only 12 network licenses. The total number of licenses based on OpenLM data, so it's very accurate, is 49. This is after we removed all the users that only consumed the license for less than an hour in the last 2 months. So it's users that really access the software and need to use it. The ratio between users and licenses is 4. So 4 users use the same license. And we took to our assumption, one is that maintenance cost is $15,000 for the 12 licenses, and that annual seat cost is $1,610, which is the cost of Autodesk annual. And there is also another assumption that we took that can be changed, is that you can use the software like about 3 years to finish a project or something without maintenance. Okay, so let's present all the options, and the range for the calculation is 5 years, from 220 till 224. That's a total of 5 years. So option number 1, if you decide until August 7, 2020 to trade one network license or multi-user subscription to 2 named licenses, you get these 24 licenses. You get them for the price of the maintenance that you paid in 2019, which is significantly cheaper than buying them, and you get an annual cost of $55,000, about $55,000 for 5 years, and this is the total. Option number 2 is to renew the maintenance for 1 year, and in that case you renew the network, the perpetual maintenance, and then you pay penalty of 20%. So it's instead of 15,000 as we assume, we are in 18,000. And after a year, we will still be able to trade, but 1-to-1. So 1-to-1, we need to buy the rest of the licenses. So you see it's more expensive, it's 77,000. And then 4 years, 77,000, it's even more expensive than the first alternative. So compare these two, this alternative is better. Third alternative. The third alternative is to renew the maintenance for another year and then continue to use the software with no maintenance for 3 years. And after that, buy licenses for the 49 people by a named seat. So in the first year you pay the 18,000. After that you can't upgrade, but you can still use the software if it was network license. Then you use it for 3 years, you pay 0. And after that you buy the 49 licenses. So it's more expensive than that also. And it's 96,000. So almost 100,000 for this 5 years. And the last alternative is to immediately say, okay, we don't renew, we just use it without maintenance. So 1, 2, 3 years, you pay 0. After that, you pay for all the users. You pay for the licenses, and it's 150 in total. So these are the alternatives for this case. Tomorrow we'll present another alternative, but as you can see, that what we want to explain is that if you have the data about the usage, you can get to the decision, and you can choose which is right for your organization. Thank you and good day.